Giles Montessori and School. Unit 3, Media Literacy in the Modern Age, from English Book Grade 10, National Book Foundation, Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Islamabad 2025 onwards syllabus. This video includes 1. Difficult words and their meanings from the unit. 2. Reading and critical thinking skills questions and answers. 3. Post-reading questions and answers. Difficult words and their meaning from Unit 3, Media Literacy in the Modern Age. Media literacy, media khwandagi, the ability to critically understand, analyze, and evaluate media content. Evaluate, janchna, to assess the value or quality of something. Navigate, samajhkar rasta banana, to find one's way through a complex situation. Credibility, kabili etbar hona, the quality of being trusted and believed. Consumption, istemal, the act of using something, especially media or resources. Misinformation, galat malumat, false or inaccurate information. Democratic, jamhuri, relating to democracy or its principles. Bias, tasub, a preference or prejudice for or against something. Discern, fark pehchanana, to recognize or distinguish with difficulty. Extremism, intaha pasandi, holding extreme political or religious views. Accountability, jawabdehi, being responsible for one's actions. Perspective, nukta-i-nazar, a particular point of view or way of seeing something. Resilient, lachakdar, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Ethical, ikhlaqi, relating to moral principles. Impact, asar, the effect or influence of something. Censorship, suppressing or restricting content. Digital, involving computers or technology. Manipulation, चालाकी से काबू पाना, controlling something in a clever and unfair way. Narrative, bayan, a story or explanation of events. Discourse, mukalamma, formal discussion or debate. Algorithm, a set of rules used in calculations or decision making, often by computers. Propaganda, misleading information spread to promote a cause. Vulnerable, kamzor ya nazuk, easily harmed or influenced. Transparency, shafafiyat, openness and honesty in communication. Deconstruct, tafsil se tajriya karna, to break down something to understand its parts. Ethics, ikhlaqiyat, moral rules governing behavior. Fabrication, jhoot gharna, making up false information. Filter, channa, to remove unwanted information or content. Harassment, harasani, aggressive or unwanted behavior towards someone. Context, siyako sabak, the surrounding information that gives meaning to something. Cognitive, idraki, relating to mental processes of perception and judgment. Engagement, shamuliyat, participation or involvement. Oversaturation, had se zyada bharna, too much of something, often making it ineffective. Regulation, zabta, rules or laws governing behavior. Literacy, khwandagi, the ability to read and understand information. Awareness, agahi, knowledge or perception of a situation or fact. Reflection, ghur o fikr, serious thought or consideration. Misuse, galat istemal, using something in the wrong way. Authenticity, asliyat, the quality of being real or true. Trolling, internet par badtamizi karna, posting offensive or provocative messages online. Media platform, media ka zariya, a system or service through which media content is delivered. Demographics, abadiyati adad o shumar, statistical data relating to a population. Perception, faham, the way something is understood or interpreted. Skepticism, shak, doubt as to the truth of something. Surveillance, nigrani, close observation, especially by authorities. Overconsumption, zyada istemal, using something more than is healthy or needed. Polarization, takseem, division into contrasting groups or opinions. Infodemic, italat ke waba, an overwhelming amount of information, often false. Clickbait, gumrah kunuva, misleading titles designed to attract clicks. Echo chamber, bazgasht ka kamra, an environment where a person only encounters information or opinions that reflect and reinforce their own. Overstated, mubalagha, aim is expressed in a way that makes something seem more important or serious than it really is. Navigators, raah dikhane wale, people who guide or direct the course of a ship, aircraft, or journey. Comprehensive, jameh, complete and covering all or nearly all elements or aspects of something. Decoding, samajhna, ramskushai, interpreting or understanding the meaning of something, especially a message or code. Ascertaining, maloom karna, finding out or learning something with certainty. Pivotal, aham, markazi, very important or central to the success or development of something. Extremist, intaha pasand, a person who holds radical or extreme political or religious views. Resilience, lachak, majbooti, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties or tough situations. Answer of the questions from reading and critical thinking skills. Question 1. What is media literacy, and why is it considered a vital skill in the modern era? Answer. Media literacy means being able to understand and judge media content, like news, videos, or posts. It is important today because we see and hear information from many sources every day. Media literacy helps us think clearly, avoid lies, and make good decisions. Question 2. Explain the significance of each key component of media literacy: access, analysis, evaluation, creation, action, in navigating the modern media landscape. Answer. Access, being able to find and use media like websites, newspapers, or apps. Analysis, understanding what media is really saying and what message it gives. Evaluation, judging if the information is true, fair, and trustworthy. Creation, making your own media, like videos or posts, in a responsible way. Action, using media to speak up, help others, or join in important conversations. Question 3. Provide examples of how media literacy can be applied to combat fake news and promote responsible content creation. Answer. Combat fake news. You read a story online that seems shocking. Instead of believing it right away, you check other websites, see who wrote it, and look for facts. Responsible content. Before posting a video, you make sure your words are respectful and your information is true, not just made to get likes. Question 4. How does media literacy contribute to creating a well-informed and critically thinking individual capable of engaging with diverse perspectives? Answer. Media literacy teaches people not to believe everything they see or hear. It helps them listen to different opinions and understand other cultures or points of view. This makes them more open-minded, smarter, and better at thinking for themselves. Question 5. Discuss the role of media literacy in guarding against extremism. Answer. Media literacy helps people notice when messages are extreme, hateful, or trying to trick them. It teaches them to question harmful ideas and avoid being influenced by dangerous groups. It also helps people talk peacefully and understand others better. Question 6. How can media literacy promote healthy media habit? Answer. Media literacy teaches people to take breaks from screens, notice how media affects their feelings, use media for learning, not just for fun, so they can have a more balanced and healthy life. Question 7. Can you describe a time when you encountered information on social media or the internet that seemed questionable or misleading? How did you decide whether or not to trust it? And what steps did you take to verify its accuracy? Answer. Yes. I once saw a post saying a famous actor had died. It was shocking, but I didn't believe it right away. I searched for the news on trusted websites like BBC and CNN. I also checked the actor's official social media page. When I saw there was no real news about it, I realized the post was fake and didn't share it. Answer of the questions from while reading section. Question. Why do you use social media? Answer. I use social media to stay in touch with friends and family, watch videos, read news, and share my thoughts or photos. It helps me learn new things and see what's happening in the world. Sometimes I also use it for fun or entertainment. Post-reading section. Question. What are your own media consumption habits? How can applying media literacy principles improve how you interact with different types of media each day? Answer. I use different types of media every day, like social media, YouTube, news websites, and sometimes TV. I watch videos, read posts, follow trends, and look for information. If I use media literacy, I can check if the news is true or fake, understand what the message is trying to say, see if the source is trustworthy, avoid getting tricked by false or harmful content, make better choices about what I share or believe. This helps me stay informed, think clearly, and use media in a smart and safe way.